Hi, this is Raj from Sportscars. I've just picked up this lovely 991 Carrera S. It's in absolutely great condition. The one small problem is it's got a little bit of damage to the lens cover on these very expensive PDLS lights. There's also a tiny bit of crazing there, but that's normally quite normal. However, because it's got that issue there, which I asked Porsche for a part price for that part. It's a PDLS, so it's the dynamic cornering headlight for a 991. The answer came back that it's £1,980 including VAT for that unit, without all the control modules inside it, all the motors and everything. You would need to switch those over from that light. That makes that pretty much uneconomical for most people to replace that if they haven't somehow got a warranty claim on it. Obviously that's damaged, so that wouldn't be a warranty claim. So I found a couple of companies that now offer lens cover replacement, and I'm actually going to give them both. I'm going to deliver them by hand because I don't want to put them through the post. I'm going to take them out of the car, strip out the motors, and they're going to replace both lens covers with brand new ones. They're going to unbond that cover, refit the new lens covers to those, and I'm then going to probably pick them up as well, but they do offer courier service both ways. The price of that is around £700 for the pair, so that's a much better deal. If you just want one done, I think it's 370ish, 365, 370 or thereabouts. So I'm going to now remove both the lights, strip out the control units, and they're going to be coming with me to one of these companies. I think they're called Lens, the ones that I'm going to be using to do this fix, and then I'll show you the finished product. But there's the light as it is. There's a little bit misty in there, but that's quite normal because it's very warm in the UK and very humid, and it's been raining, so these lights have got hot and they've taken in a little bit of moisture. But again, that will dry. They are not sealed units, so that will dry normally, so that isn't an issue. But as you can see, that's what the headlights look now, and I'll show you what they're going to look like after the work is done. We'll be using this tool to remove the headlights. There is one. There is one. Fully removed. Matter of seconds. And there is the second. So you can see that damage is quite bad, but it just extends to the lens cover, not the actual casing itself. So that shouldn't be a problem to get it replaced. Okay, so a slight change of plan. I'm actually going to leave all of the control units on because I'm not sending these in the post. I'm quite happy because I'm delivering them and collecting them. I'm going to leave all the units on, and I'm sure Renlens will be okay with that. If not, I will mention it in the next part of this video. Okay, I've got the headlights back from Renlens, and they're looking absolutely sensational. Really, really beautiful. He did actually say, interestingly, that these are the black edition headlights, but they had silver bezels, which this is quite an early car. It was a 2011. So one of the first in the country. And now we've actually fitted the black bezel, so now it's the full black edition headlights. I did actually go and pick them up in person, but he still wrapped them up really carefully so they would fit in the front boot and also on the seat of that 997 Gen 2 manual there, 4S. But yeah, as you can see, he does a great job of making it all look OEM. He doesn't use heat. He has his own method of splitting the lights. I'm not going to go into his IP because I think he's doing such a fantastic job. He's got taking bookings in advance because he is so busy with all the different headlights. So you've done McCann ones, 992 ones, 991 ones and 981s, and he had pretty much every single set of those ready to be worked on or being worked on. So they're the lights. I'm now going to put them on the car and see how they look. Okay, so the car is mid-prep, so apologies, it's got aftermarket wheels on while the other ones were being refurbed, and they're in the back of the unit there. So washed the car, so I covered all of the wiring looms, and obviously didn't aim the water into this area, but I just wrapped these up just to be safe, so that I don't cause any damage to the electrical systems. It's the easiest way to do it, rather than masking off the whole inlet, because actually the wheel arch liners are right there, so this area can get wet. But obviously these connectors are not designed to be exposed, as they are currently without the headlights attached, so that's why I've wrapped them up. There we go. I've also removed all the plastics under the trunk because we cleaned under all of this area here, all round here, so they're all removed. I've also fitted a new start-stop battery as well. So I'll just make sure this is put in the right way round. Twist it there, plug it in. So that's clipped in. Now you've got to be very careful not to rub any of the metalwork while you put this in. Just get the tool. So this is the tool which is should be in the tool set in the car. There we go. hear it click, and that's locked into place. This time I'll put this in first. It's a lot easier that way. You can see what you're doing, and so that's it, ready to receive. You've got it sort of the U-bend facing out, so it's ready to receive the headlight. So first of all, remember to plug it in. There we go. And then again, you have to just get it so it's sitting on the cradle correctly. Line it up without touching the edges, the paintwork. Very easy to scratch the wings doing this. Be very, very careful. I think that's right. It's not the right place. There's the right place. There we go. And then you have to hear it click. There we go. And that is in as well. Just put all the tools back where they should be, cover those little rubber holes again. Okay, as you can see, completely repaired, as new, looking fantastic. They're now the full black edition lights. So I said, this car is undergoing its prep, so it's going to be fully machine polished. But there is the headlights. There's the wheels at the back there, all ready to be fitted now. Well, I hope you found this video interesting and insightful on headlights. Needing a new headlight doesn't have to be uneconomical, which it is if you need the whole new unit, but if you just need new lenses like most of them do, then it's well worth investing the money in getting a new set of lenses from the likes of Renlens. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.